Hey folks, I'm Misc, the Hot Rod Hippie here. It's Tuesday again, which means it's Tool Tip Tuesday. Let's see what I got for you this week. So in this week's Tool Tip Tuesday, we're taking a look at the Label Maker. It is a handy and overlooked tool. If you're doing automotive restoration, automotive repair, pretty much anything, this thing is a really handy tool. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can label your screws, your nuts, your bolts, especially keeping them in boxes that you can't see, label them with this. If you're working on cars, this can be really invaluable. Use it to mark your wiring. A lot of older vehicles have EFI systems that have a lot of the same connectors on different sensors, different setups. If you're working on the lighting system, the wiring in a vehicle, a lot of those connections can become confusing, especially if you disconnect them and you come back to them a couple months later. Well, these two different plugs reach to the same location. What am I gonna do? Label it as you take it apart. It'll really save you time down the road. Combine this thing with some sandwich bags, some really simple little organizational tips there. Use that, label the sandwich bag as you take the hardware out, put it in there. When you disassemble a car, you will save yourself a crazy amount of time down the road if you just take care of it at the beginning. There's nothing worse when you go to assemble a car, you pull out the bags, you nicely separated the hardware, but what do those bolts go to? I don't even recognize that. It's been like a year since I took this thing apart. It's been 5 years since I took this thing apart. Now, what are you gonna do? If it's not properly labeled, you're gonna be trying different bolts in different locations over and over, then you suddenly have some hardware left over and not enough for other things. This thing is just handy, it's useful. Pick one up, you will find uses for it. It runs on AA batteries, that 23-foot tape in there lasts quite some time. Just label things as you take them apart. You can always pull the label off pretty easily later, so when you get a finished product, you're happy, you're satisfied with the way things have gone, you're ready to finish up the project. Just go around and pull off the connections, the tags if you don't need them. I really do recommend having one. It's a handy tool, but what am I gonna do? Make a 5-10 minute video about a label maker? Alright folks, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have a label maker? Do you use one all the time? Is it collecting dust in your toolbox and you never use the thing? Let me know. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.